Hey, what's going on? Giboo Flips here, and I am back with another video. And today I want to talk about getting into the hobby and things you want to look out for when buying Balisongs, and things you should probably think about. And I will close it off with a few tips for tricks that will benefit you in the long run. So, let's get right into this. And first thing I want to talk about is the designs of Balisongs. So right here we got two kinds. This one sandwich, this one is channel. I'll talk about the sandwich one first. Sandwich handle Balisongs is two slabs. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing there. Two slabs of metal put together, held together by spacers, or in this case, it's got screws and bolts. Right there. Sandwich construction. And I personally like sandwich more because, I don't know, they just roll around the fingers more better. They hug it better. I don't know. Just something, they just hug the fingers more better to me. But proper sandwich constructions will have it be able to be tuned, unlike this one. You can see everything is hardened in it, hardened on it, whatever. I can't do nothing to it. So originally there would be some pivot screws here, and it'd either be washings or bearings inside of it, and then it'd have spacer screws, and then it'd have like reinforcement screws. So quite a bit of screws to worry about, more maintenance essentially. So yeah, that's sandwich construction for you. More maintenance is all, really. Got to find something that's more tolerable. So that's the touchy part about it, is finding a good quality balisong. That's sandwich construction. You can find a lot of them on Amazon, but it's hard to find a quality one. To my knowledge, that is Glider Co. And they sell out pretty fast. So yeah. And then there is sandwich constructions. Channel constructions. My bad. Oopsies. Lost control of it there. But yeah, channel construction Balisongs. They are two handles, one piece of metal for each handle. Oh, I'm working on it. Choker fan. But yeah, channel handles are these. Like I said, one chunk of metal. This one's got weights inside of it to make it more balanced. A great majority of them have Zen pins. So yeah, they are more tolerable, less maintenance, because this one's just got the pivots to worry about. Pivots, washers, bearings, bushings, not bearings. There are washers with bearings though. again. Ooh. Damn it. Trying to do the cherry picker. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, channel handles. There you go. They're everywhere. There are going to be different materials. In this case, it's aluminum. That one down there is titanium. So yeah, oops. So those are the two designs for you. And next I want to talk about is the weight of the Balisongs, because that's also important. So you don't want to invest in something that's going to eventually do damage to your wrist. And which is what that purple one did to me for a bit, but I ended up like getting used to the weight and learning how to carry it around. So yeah, there's that for you too. But quite a bit of reviews saying that it's Balisongs that are too heavy, it's too hard to control. And I did a pinky catch, and I don't know where to go from there. But yeah. Weights of the Balisongs. So what I'm trying to say is, the heavier the Balisong, sometimes it's harder to control. The lighter the Balisong, the easier it is to control, because you're controlling the weight. You control how fast you want to throw it, like this. See? Now I'll do that same thing with this guy here. See how much faster it went through, but I stopped where I needed to because I'm used to it. So yeah, my best analogy for that is, if you're good at controlling weight and distributing it where it needs to be, then buy something heavy. And I don't even know if that's good. So, oops. The heavier the Balisong, the more you need to be able to control weight. And the best way to describe that is, have you ever watched Kung Fu Panda? And that's when Po's learning to control stuff getting tossed at him. And then once they shoot that bomb at him, he just like takes it, carries the momentum, and then tosses it back. That's what you got to be good at, I guess. So I know there's a lot of people out there that are able to do that. There are people that can control weight. And honestly, I think when something's getting tossed like a Balisong and you're depending on the weight, it looks more nice, like it looks more clean. So yeah, the lighter the Balisong, the more control you have. The heavier it is, the more you have to know how to control. Because the weight might just go off course and you might not know what to do. So it'll just go flinging away from you. But yeah. So yeah, that's my take on things you should look out for when you're buying Balisongs. That was cool, but getting a little bit muggy. Ugh. But yeah. So now I want to leave you guys with a few tricks, things you should work on that'll help you in the long run. One of them is the double rollout, except I have a different way of warming you guys up to it. And I think it's important you should know the weight of your balisong. So here's the double rollout in control. Like, you see the wrist movement, it's pointed up. I have to do all the wrist movement. I have to open it, I have to close it, and I hit my knuckle pretty hard there. Now it's pointed down, and I'm going to use the weight only to do everything. Like, I'm just going to hold it like this. I'm going to move my hand back and forth. Yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing. So here we go. See? I'm not doing anything with my wrist. I'm not flicking it or anything. The weight is doing it itself. So I suggest doing this because it'll also help you like getting tricks started. Like, there's the helix. I messed that up. Yeah, behind the 8 ball right there. Damn it, I'm messing up again. Behind the 8 ball. See? Cherry picker. Yeah. Using the weight for the double rollout. And I realize that's heavy, so I'll take the light one. I'll do the same thing. See, I'm not doing any wrist movement. It's doing the double rollout itself. See? Well, I'm doing it there, but yeah. Double rollout using the weight. And then there's behind the 8 ball. Ooh. There we go. Behind the 8 ball. And then there's the kiss goodbye. And this one will help you get used to doing things in reverse. So there's this, getting used to the weight, double rollout, and then add the behind the 8 ball to that double rollout after. You'll get a good momentum of it. And then to help getting used to doing things in reverse, the kiss goodbye. Ooh. Yeah. So again, weight double rollout, behind the 8 ball, and the kiss goodbye. Yeah. Kiss goodbye. Kiss goodbye. Holy fuck, that's so dirty. Ugh. Peace out.